having an azimuth back tangent equal to 205 degrees and azimuth forward tangent equal to 262 degrees. If the middle ordinate is 5.8 meter, find the following. Okay? Determine the length of the chord. Okay? Determine the external distance. Okay, question, if station PT is at station 1 plus 906 by PT, what is the positioning of the end or point of intersection? Okay? So I think this is the center. Okay, so simple chord. We have back tangent, no? North, azimuth 205 degrees. Okay, look at the southwest. Okay, so itong tulog na ito clockwise. So this is 180. And then, sobrang na sa 25 degrees. So therefore, okay, back tangent rin. Diba? So back tangent dito sa PC, forward tangent pa sa PT. Okay. So, muna yung itong back tangent, no? So, that is 205 degrees. Next. Okay. Azimuth of the forward tangent of 262. So, we have draw niya po tag-line. That's panong diha. Okay, so 262, I think, dadara. Okay, ang line niya, guys, is 270 man, no? 270. So, slant na gamay kay 262 man. So, slant na gamay. Okay? So, ang iyang azimuth diha, okay, detail na rin. Kani, this is 262 degrees. Ay, so brightness niya, 8 degrees. Okay, yung mga inclination niya. So, ito buhatan, ato nang minus ang duha ka angle niya. Okay? This one and this one, muna yung atong angle niya ay, no? Ilan mo yun? Okay, 260 minus 205. 57. Ilan mo na? 57 degrees. Okay, so this is your PI. Okay? Then to bottom, yung tawag ko ay simple chord. No? And then, okay. So therefore, class 1 na ito simple chord. 1 na itong PT. And this is point of conversion. Okay? So say kita. Okay, so if the middle ordinate is 5.8, so we can middle ordinate, ano eh? Okay. So kung mag-draw po chord, long chord class, mag-PC to PT, ano yung long chord, ano yung middle ordinate, hindi mo. Okay? Kaya ano yung external. Okay? Middle ordinate ka na, distance na eh. Ika niya, panaw niya. Okay, so, ang value na rin is equal to 5.8 meter. Okay? So, una is, we need to value the radius test. Okay, how can we solve the radius? Okay, so since center class nilagay ito sa point intersection, okay, ang value of 57, half angle na rin. So that will be equivalent to, okay, so that is equivalent to, okay, 57 divided by 2 plus, ilan?
28.5.
This is
28.5.
5 degrees. Okay? Okay, gamitin natin trigonometric. Okay, kanina rin guys, 90 degrees mo gamit. 90 degrees. So, magamit ako, okay, cosine, no? So, So, ang distance na rin, depende ako na lang yan. That is R. Okay. This is R. Okay. Minus the 5.8 meter. Okay. So, gamit ang contest, kaning cosine. So, that is cosine of 28.5 is equal to R. Okay. Minus 5.8 divided by the radius. Solving the radius, what is the value?
37.86.
47.86. Okay, 86 meter. Okay, that is the radius. Next is since natin radius class, okay, kung ano to class, ang length sa chord, no? Ang length sa to chord. Okay, so kung ano to ang length sa to chord class, so we have length is equal. Okay, that is represent the arc, no? So that is equivalent to r theta. Okay, r theta rin. Okay, so r radius, so r theta. Okay, theta it should be radian kasi. So that is 47.86 times okay. Okay. Okay, or pwede mo daligas. Or pwede natin yung ratio, no? Okay? 2 pi r okay, times the ratio of theta divided by 360 degrees. Pwede nyo na. Okay, pwede na. So, karoon yung atong buhatan, ang theta na to, it should be in radian. So, that is 57 degrees. Okay, nga ito like convert into radian mo, radian, no? So that is equivalent to pi divided by the 80 degrees. So what is the length of the pole?
47.61
meter. Hindi ka na Nicholas, pwede kang gamitan. Lesson portion lang. Okay? Next, ito nag-external distance or E. No? So, solve value E. Okay, so since Nicholas 90 degrees mo. Okay, so gamit tayo cosine again. So that is cosine of 28.5 degrees. Okay, equivalent to kani mananaya itong adjacent side. So that is the radius of 47.61 divided by the hypotenuse. Kaya dito sa PI padaw sa center. Okay, and that is equivalent to the radius plus the external distance. Okay, so that is radius of 47.61 plus the external distance. So solving this one, what is the external distance?
6.6.
Ilan?
6.6.
6.6. Ano? Okay, meter. So 6.60 meter. Okay. Siyempre, if station PT is at station 926.18, what is the CCA of the line? Okay, so atong button, okay, siyempre, lokal na sa PC kasi. Okay, so dito sa PT, agit sa cord, okay, agit sa backhandle mo. Pwede ka pwede mo labang dito sa forward test. Balik agit. So atong button, dito sa PT, okay, minus na sa left sa cord, then add to sa distance sa atong tangent line. Okay, kung ano na ito ang length sa tangent line. Okay, so for to solve that, okay, we come gamit sa tangent. Okay, let's say this distance x. Okay, so the tangent of 28.5 degrees is equal to x divided by the radius of 47.61. Okay, so in this one, what is the value of x?
25.9.
25 99. Okay, meter. Okay, so stationing sa atong PI is equal. Okay? So, ano ka sa PT class, stationing niya class, dihatag is 1. Okay, 1 plus. Okay? 1 plus. Okay, positive pa na. 926, no? So, 926.18. Okay? Basta wala pa sa 1,000, puno kag 1 niya class. Okay? So, una, ika sa PT, minus ta sa length sa chord, no? So, minus sa length sa chord, that is, asang ko length sa chord? 47.61. Nasunod, okay, makita sa back tangent nga x. So, mag-add ka. Mag-add ka. So, that is 25.99. Okay? So, ito ba yung station sa atong podcast PI? I think, wala nila pa. So, 1 plus, pila rin?
904.
Pila na?
904.
904.55. Okay? Ay, dapat calculator guys. Okay, 904.55.